Okay, so we are dyeing our hair today, and we have Garnier Nutrisse Black Currant BL11, which is jet blue black. And of course, a stunning model on the cover. And her hair looks great. So it is a blue-black. Here's the results on the side. So mostly black with just a tinge of blue, I would say. I don't think it's, yeah, some of the other ones I've tried have been like super blue, like indigo and stuff. Okay. I have scissors. Thank goodness, because I can never do this thing without scissors. Well, I can, I just end up wearing it. Okay. And here we go. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do my usual check the back and clean up a little bit since I have quite a bit on my face. And then we will wait 30 minutes and I will be back. Let me say this. It is definitely cool toned, but when it rinsed like grayish black. So it did not rinse any, like when I did the violet one, it rinsed violet. Any of the blue blacks, it typically rinses blue. This one did not. This just rinsed like black and water. So I just want to let you know that if there is any blue in this, I do not see it, or it's just a little touch. So if you just wanted like a very cool toned, but not necessarily blue black, then I would definitely recommend this one. I do think it looks really nice. I think it looks pretty. I think it, you know, came out very well. And to be fair, on the box, it doesn't look very blue either. It definitely just looks cool tone black. So, but anyways, yeah, so I think it did a really nice job, and I'm very happy, and I think it's cute. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried this one or another one. Thank you guys so much for watching.